Okay, it's raining here, and you can see the mist coming off the top of our motorhome. It's raining, and you can see, I don't know if you can see the rain, but turn around. Why is it so hard? But it's raining right there, and you can see, literally see the mist coming off the top of the motorhome. And you turn to this side, and it's perfectly sunny, and there's no rain at all. But